Hi friends, welcome to Shesex Gaming, and today we will be unboxing Tukzer LED RGB desk mat. I will also be reviewing it later on in the video. So yeah, nothing else in the box. This is the mat. Okay, let's remove the plastic wrapping. Yeah, this is a pretty big desk mat. A cable to connect the desk mat to your computer. This is a pretty big desk mat, 80 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and it largely covers my desk, so there will be no issue using the keyboard and the mouse. And there's a rough fabric on the top and rubber on the bottom to keep the mat in place, but I think because of this it is still sliding. Let's see. Let's put the keyboard and mouse and let's see how it looks. So yeah, this is how it looks with the keyboard and the mouse on, and the movement of the mouse is pretty good on the mat. So just let me show you how it looks with the light off. Yeah, this is how it looks with the light off. It's pretty cool looking. At around 1300 rupees, it is a pretty good desk mat. So yeah, this is the unboxing and review of Tukzer RGB desk mat.